Ito na, ang kanyang roommate.
Ito ang aking best friend.
Hello
Siya ang
po.
siya ang una ko nakilala nung ako mapunta rito.
Halos 8 taon na rin daw silang mag-best friends. Aww.
Ito katagal siya. Sampuntaan na. Ano po yung favorite yung pastime together?
Oo.
Kain?
Hindi yun.
Pagkain? Pagkaan, oo. Chapsuy. Chapsuy. Wala po kayong naging great love? Yung pag tumitingin kayo na parang, diba?
Ano naginip?
Oo. Wala.
Naginip.
Wala ba naginip? Wala po kayo naging boyfriend kahit sino? Wala.
Kaya pagka nayayakap namin yan, nakikiliti.
Hindi.
Ako po ay muuna at dahil wala po kayong boyfriend at nakikiliti kayo, ako ay mag-hug sa inyo bago po ako umalis. Nice meeting you po. And I hope to see you again po. Nice meeting you. Sige po, ako ay...
I'm single.
The same. Same with Nanay Violi.
Yes.
Dating English teacher si Lola Miriam. Hi. Kapangalan pa siya ng someone really special and close to my heart.
So, ikaw na mismo nagdala sa sarili mo. Yeah, it's better. No, at least you're taken care of. Never kayo nagkaroon ng great love?
Nagkaroon ka. Kaya lang suddenly, he died din.
When?
Matagal na 1996.
Talaga?
Bata pa ako lang. Ha?
You never married na?
No.
How long were you together?
Long time. 40 years.
40
Yes.
years! Oh
When-
my
When we didn't get married, we were always steady.
Oh my gosh! How did he die?
Cancer of the lungs because of smoking.
Kanina may nakita akong English teacher and which reminded me so much of Tita Miriam. And I feel na when it comes to friends, family, it's crucial, it's important for you to see them and to be with them because you only live once and we're lagi sinasabi sa Tita Miriam that we're only here for a blip, no? So sobrang na-move ako, na-touch ako.